We get asked this all the time. What is that pop? What is that crack? It's intimidating. It's loud. Have you ever played with bubble wrap as a kid? Do you know what's inside that bubble wrap? Like what's making that noise? It's the air, the gas being released. Just like when you crack your knuckles, nobody cracks their knuckles being like, I think I broke my finger. The noise really doesn't matter. If you want to see marketing, we'll make it as loud as you want. But at the end of the day, that pop, that crack, that noise really means nothing more than there was more gas being released or less gas being released.